Hey guys, so interesting little doodad I found on the web. Actually found it on Amazon. This is a hose that will allow you to connect a 20-pound tank onto a 1-pound tank to fill it up. Now this is really cool, and people wonder like, oh man, aren't these things dangerous? Well, yeah, they're dangerous, but everything is dangerous. And just as long as you fill it up correctly, then everything's fine. I've seen, there's also videos on YouTube on this, so figured I'd show you guys. I don't know if you've seen it, but why not? Worth a shot. So let me show you right quick how this works. I'll connect this guy, and then we'll get after it. Alright, so it's a pretty simple process. You want to make sure that this guy is closed, obviously, because it'll shoot stuff right at you. And so put it on there. Alright, make sure it's closed. Open the bottle. See it pressurized. Actually, turn this guy upside down and let it sit on its top. Now, I talk about letting the pressure out of these things, and just I use a welding rod. I had a little bit of pressure in there. Alright, I just hook this guy up. Nice and snug. And so the thought is liquid will come out of here into this tank, and you will hear it going in there. And as soon as it levels out pressures, go ahead and shut it off. You undo this. You burp the built-in pressure in there because it's filling up with liquid naturally. So it's trying to compress, let out some air. Do it a couple times, and it comes out to a specific weight. You use one of these, and it comes up to 29 kilograms or something. I don't know exactly, but the number is 29. So here we go. Can's getting cold. Okay, it equalized. Undo that. See how much it weighs just for kicks. It's got a little bit in there. We're at 20.5. Okay, let out a little bit of air, a little bit of trapped air. Okay. Give that a shot. So it's equalized again. Lift it up. They did mention that you could use this, some little needle nose pliers, and pull that out, but that sometimes doesn't always seal correctly again, so you'll end up having a slow leak. The guy on the video was recommending just burping this area here, and that seals a little bit better. So let's weigh that again. At 23. Okay, maybe one more time. Let out a little bit more air. Now I know that if liquid were to come out, it'd be crazy cold. You could probably freeze my fingers. You gotta be stupid careful. Okay, another time. Oop, that may have passed it up because I measured it before and it was like in the 30s, 36 with the hose on there. So let's see. It feels a little full. No, actually no. 4 more. Let's try that. A little more. $28.45. It's probably close enough. I'm gonna do just a little more. A little bit more there. Let's see what that did. $29 even. So perfect. Worked out really well, and so that's how it works. Close the valve. You know, you want to do as many as you can all at once, because you know you do waste a little fuel at the end doing purging your line. So you know you don't want to be wasting that fuel. So I hope that helps you guys. You know, I found it really cool because you know these little cans are so handy to have around instead of dragging this guy around. You know, a couple of these cans are really expensive. I think they're like $4 a piece or something like that. So if you can refill them out of a 20-pounder, you get a whole lot better return on investment. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll get back to repairing the equipment. Got one coming up pretty soon. It's gonna be pretty nice. So hang tight. We'll see you guys.